Bill Gates once said, humans generally overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve over a period of 10 years. Now, a very powerful and a very important statement. It means that we generally kind of become overconfident when we are thinking of small time periods, but we kind of do not understand the power that large time periods have and the profound effect that large time periods can have in our career growth, in everything that we do, right? So that is something that I want to talk with you today. Hello everyone, this is Ajinkya and you are watching to the Be Productive series, where I make one video every day to help you guys to be more productive, to help you guys to be better versions of yourself. And what we are going to talk about today is the power of incremental gains, something which was made very famous by a guy called James Clear. I'm going to tell you his story as well and what it means for every one of us. Now, you probably would have heard of this, that if you improvise on yourself by just 1% every day, you end up being 37 times better version of yourself. Now, it's basic maths, right? 1.01 to the power 365 gives you 37 point something. And that means that if you keep on doing small bits every day, at the end of the year you are going to be 37 times better versions of yourself. But let us realistically say that you do not grow 37 times better. Let us say that you only grow 10 times as better. Okay, 10 times as better as what you were at the start of the year. Now, if you are able to grow 10 times better in 1 year, think of what can happen in a matter of 2, 3, 4, 5 years. In a matter of 2 years, you are 100 times better. In a matter of 3 years, you are 1,000 times better. Whatever is the position that you are starting currently at, you can go and become one of the best in the world. You can go and become one of the top in your country, one of the top notch in the first percentile, in the top percentile of any field, in any work that you take up. Now, that is something which has been demonstrated by a lot of people. There are so many stories of people, so many stories of successful people who show that those 5 years where they toiled, before that their life was drastically different, and then they decided they are going to change it, and then they started it, and in the 5 years, in the 10 years, they completely transformed their lives and now are one of the best, if not the best people in their fields across the world, right? So something very important for us to learn from this. Now, this is something which I called as a non-zero day. Non-zero day means that there should be no day wherein you do not grow by, basically no day where you grow by 0%, right? Every day you should try to push yourself by a little notch higher. So if it is like the last hour before you sleep and you feel that the whole day you haven't done anything, I would generally say that okay, grab a book, start reading. Okay, grab a documentary, start watching. Okay, grab a LinkedIn learning course. There are a lot of courses which are small, short span courses, and get that course done. Improvise yourself just by a little bit. And if you are able to keep this streak of non-zero days for a very long period of time, gradually you are going to notice and you are going to think of it and you are going to see, oh, that's me 6 months ago. Oh, that's me 1 year ago. And look how much I have learned in the last 6 months. Oh, look how much I have learned in the last 1 year. How much I have matured. How much I have grown as a better person. Now, very important. Now, the inverse is also true, right? If you do not improvise on yourself, if you do not become 1% better every day, if you become 1% of less every day, if you degrade by 1% every day over a period of time, over 365 days, if you started with 100, you are going to end up with a 3, which means that you will be left at 3% of your original thing. So it is extremely important. Most of the people, they just are able to keep that graph stagnant or maybe have very nominal changes in a matter of 1 year. But if you think of it, it is completely possible to transform your lives in a couple of years. Small things here and there, small habit changes, small priority changes, small things which have been wasting your time. Now you have stopped using them. These small changes in your habits, in your actions, in the things you do is what is going to lead you to be that person which you have always wanted to be. A very beautiful story given by James Clear. He tells the story of British national cycling team where they went and won the Tour de France. Now this 1% better every day was probably made famous by this guy, James Clear. I'm going to put the link in the comments below. go ahead and watch his interview and find out that story. But I hope that you have also been able to take the larger message out from this video, that you need to keep on pushing yourself every single day. And if you do that for a couple of years, your life completely gets transformed. No matter where you are at. No matter whether you are in your 20s, whether you are in your 30s, whether you are in your 40s, whether you are in your 50s. Think of it. 5 years from now, you can be 10,000 times better, more than that, better than what you are currently, if you keep on improvising yourself very consistently, very passionately, with a lot of perseverance and with a lot of smart and hard work. So go back and reflect upon what I have just said. Let me know how you found this video to be. Let me know what are the other topics you want me to make videos on. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep on getting regular updates for all the videos that I make. That was my little message for today. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.